how to keep full sentences within character limit in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick. Sometimes we need to create a snippet out of a paragraph and we have a specific character limit, okay? But the problem is when we create the snippet within character limit, we usually have incomplete sentences. But I want to create snippet within character limit, but I want to extract only the complete sentences. Everything after the last complete sentence should be removed. Okay, in a previous tutorial I have showed how you can remove everything after last full stop. We are going to use that technique in this tutorial, but with a new tweak that will specify character limit. Okay, now let me show you how many characters we have in this paragraph. So I'm going to write here equal to len and close parenthesis. We have 458 characters. What if we have 400 character limits where we are going to paste this snippet? Okay, so let's write here left. This is the text and our character limit will be 400. Now if I close parenthesis and press enter, and you can see we have extracted 400 characters from this paragraph, but we have not only incomplete sentences but also incomplete words. Okay, so I want to create a system where I will be able to extract everything within the character limit, which is 400 in this scenario, and remove everything after the last full stop. Okay, so we have extracted 400 characters from this paragraph, and if I write here substitute function, and our text will be extracted snippet and our old text will be full stop. Okay, and our new text will be nothing, and I'm going to close parenthesis. Okay, and if I press enter, so we removed all the full stop from this paragraph, because now I want to count how many full stop I have in this snippet within 400 characters. So we have removed all the full stop from this snippet and I'm going to count it. So I'm going to write here len function and wrap this up, and this has given me a character count. Now as we know, our character limit in this snippet is 400. So if I write here 400 and deduct that with the snippet without full stop, that will give me how many full stop we have in this snippet, and that is 2. Okay, now if I use the substitute function again, I'm going to write here substitute, and our text will be the original paragraph without any character limit. Okay, I'm going to select that. Our old text will be full stop again, so within double quotation full stop. Our new text will be slash within double quotation slash, and our instance number will be 2 because we have 2 full stop in the snippet with 400 characters, and that we found using the formula we just created earlier. Okay, now if I close parenthesis and press enter, here we have converted the second full stop with slash. And now if I somehow find that, so if I write here find, now I need to find where I have put that slash. I'm going to find within double quotation slash, add comma, and within this text I'm going to find out our slash. So I'm going to close parenthesis and press enter. So now if I write here left, and our text will be this original paragraph, and our extraction will be 297 character that we got from this formula. So if I close parenthesis and press enter, this is the snippet that is within 400 characters and with full sentences. Everything after 400 character is removed, and everything after the full sentence within 400 character limit is also removed. So this is how you can keep full sentences within a character limit in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.